So you see, our new concept now will be, which I will come down in a language later. But for purposes of people who may not understand our language, vote to buy in here is giving me project. Do you understand me? Vote to buy in here is what? Give me project. Give me good governance. Give me security. Pay pensioners. Pay gratuities. The way you do that, come and take our vote. Abra. For most of you who may not also understand this music, maybe INEC is not here, police is not here. They don't understand. What they are saying is that as you do for us by giving us projects, we too will do for you by giving you our votes. INEC, I hope you are hearing what we are saying. I'm not going to swear here. So it's not when you come here, you see how they are giving the vote to our governor, giving the vote to the House of Reps, giving the vote to the House of Assembly. You say, this vote by, this is what we have done. And that's why they are surrendering their vote to us. We have done for them. And they want to do for us. Obla. Obla. So, Ndewai, Ndechigai, Ndenai, Ndenwanai, Nurungwanai, and Kunakabaku Libeke, Amotaro. Kamo Kukumrabuka, Habayana, Anagamoku Waka, Anagamoku Waka. How about you vote to Kamegambra? Abu vote to Akuoka, Habanelli Horoha, Iru, Anagamaka. How make it happen, Eli Horoha, Iru? How about party, Iru? How about River State, Iru? The other season no party, Smama that the baby River State to her. Smama that the baby Eli Horoha. Makan de wa anu biko anu me vote piam anu kamakaga but almost mama ni emena li hono ha ya me River State ha ya me na ora sara ha ya me na efo ha ya me mo kursu ha ya me na limu ha makan anu za bia ka piam abra say so and maybe they make campaign camp from January. More in English, my brother. From January next year, I will campaign to my people whom they will vote for. I will campaign to my people whom they will vote for. So all of you who have been in suspense, who have been saying all kinds of things, abusing me, wait. January has come. January has come. Not only will I tell them where they will vote, I will move from state to state and why they should vote for the people I think they should vote for. Nothing will happen. So all of you appearing on television, abusing me, don't waste your saliva again. January is a come. January is a come. So don't waste your saliva. Don't be going on whatever you call your platform. All those of you who are telling Nigerians, you used to have 40 shoes, you have to have 50 wristwatches. Time has come to convert those shoes and wristwatches to vote. Not be so. Not be so. It's not to be on the podium and raise your shoe high and raise their wristwatch high. Time has come to convert it to vote. Those of you who have never been stable, you move from PDP to here. You move from here back to PDP. Those of you who made campaign in 2015, telling Nigerians, if they vote for PDP, they are voting for insurgency. If they vote for PDP, they are voting for corruption. Wait, all of us will reply. We will tell Nigerians, this thing you said, how far? What is system now? Is it the same PDP or a new PDP? Unveiled!
Wicked, don't mind them. 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 Oh, don't mind them.
Maybe I like police. Do you understand what they say? Maybe. All they are telling me, I should not bother about you at all. That you should continue to talk whatever you are talking. Don't
mind them. Don't mind them. Yeah, you should not mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them. I said, don't mind them. Don't mind them. Don't mind them.
I'm not down. Let me also use this opportunity Let me also use this opportunity to advise those of them who say that our brothers in Abuja, this election, 2023 election, will confirm to us in Rivers State who are those that have influence to vote, who are those that their people will listen to and vote. It is not only based for you to be in Abuja and tell them whatever you are telling them. Come home. Come what? Home. Because our polling booths are not going to be in Abuja. Our polling booths are in Abuja. Our polling booths are where? Here. Stop telling them lies. What you cannot do, say you cannot do. Don't begin to tell them lies. Anybody stopping you, no. All you are saying, if you want to campaign like PDP is doing, go and pay. If you want to use primary school, pay. So that when you dirty the school, we'll clean it up. When you spoil something in the school, we'll replace it. Not be so? Yes, sir. We didn't say you should not use. All we are saying, if you want to use, apply and pay the money. So all of them are running away, say, I want to jail them. If you commit offense, won't you go to jail? If you know you're running away from going to jail, keep quiet. Keep quiet. This election will retire people in 2023. This other big man, it will end 2023. If they win us, we'll go. Not so. If we win them, they do what? In fact, they've already gone.
How many them there? Why we not go win them? How many them? How many them there? Why we not go win them? How many them there? Why we not go win them? How many them there?
Other people are busy going for campaigns. We are busy giving our projects and commissioning that project. That is our own campaign. Is that correct?
Yes.
Don't listen to anybody coming, I will do. The one they gave you, did you do? Did you do? I think they told you they will do Port Harcourt to Maiduguri. Isn't that what they told you? Really, not be so? How far now? How far? You see, Alle and Sunday you have about us. Alagamaga. About politics or about politics, Okuwayo, Mbiarumpa, January last year. Can I know that one day? No me made this flyover. And me ma within 1 year. I Makanan, Mena. Okay. Now, Nagabu one minister. Kanano. Now we are going another way. From Uganda to Mampo Basic. Now the carry. And one other way, baby, thank God. Now, I answer that. How many smoke work, Abuno? Babila Banana Noah. The first time I fly over car. Another aware. Then I walk this road from Iguruta through Eneka down to roundabout. Abla. Then first one walker. Abla remembers memory. Abla. Hamoku Abuno. Sin is belief.
Wikebu okuweme, yes, wikebu okuweme.
Ahuda, Nkanunda Ahuda, and let to allies from the east to west road to about 7 kilometers. Can't remember why as at that time. Numbembem, I mean where. Yesterday, as an Ahuda, to make commission that project, and then on that project, Bujulos Bega. This was a PS what? I'm allowed the cap Christmas gift. Remember from Pastor to Homok. I'm not good. I'll be about as a whole. Out of the 12 flyovers, 8 is not be about 8 is not be about. Over some people can know, Mamma Pega Gocha, Madam Mebe Gocha, Mebe Pele. Nabu Babu, Abrababu, the boogie like that.
I see the sweet, I see the pen, I see the pen, I see the sweet.
So, I must smoke one, Brabra, Babana Carano, Rambico Ambar, Abana Elemano, Abana Kembaga. And you never vote to Berema Kembaga. And Gamaka. The only place I hear you vote will have our governorship. And you have done a governorship with PDP in Gamaka. And you have done okay Chinda and Ramaga. And the Mesquan was a okay Chindas here. Martin. All one else was there. All one else was there. constituency. The deputy governor candidate as well. Come. And make out, and let us go. Almost ambassador television. And none of who work on House of Reps. And who men measure coup. Now you go to kitchen that. No, that's not a go check out the. I'm the Agalagazo Sakazaru. As an Alagazo Sakazaru, and lay all kitchen there. Kinsilo Gunduchin one. And go Popo television. Tabla Tabu Mobi or Blabuaga. And the House of Assembly. And one of chicken Martin and me will lose no coca. And the Amara no Barukuga. Okoga lagi nye bagera. And come here. Answer very careful. Monday you December, my year sharp or my in all those things. I am very, very careful. And the governorship candidate, almost similar for Bola, but as a lab of budget Reishi, deputy as a pa, Burukoriania, Abum Brumaba, Burundia, Bino, deputy governor, Abum Brumaba, Bundaria, all vice chairman of Toronto local government. I am always a Magan Deruka, and Chisora Hagangwa, and Yabu Corinia, Mabukoru deputy governor. I am made by vote, when I am made vote. Assembly and conference 2, car conference 1, car federal house, car deputy governor. Now for Senate, Akumane Hayejoku. Alandi Hono has in Senate very well. Ndokraka, Zenem Agagwan, Eche, as an ethnic group. Buru Eche no mama. So I can walk. Since we will support Lamala, my army resident, my army governor, Mbarban, my Senate, Merhoja, and what we want to all what we hear. I make out. Almost Abu greedy people. As the whole has it, as it is every time I told him, I'm a swagger, I'm a carry you. So I will have our display. Do you hear what I said? What I'm saying is that do well. So we don't come with our vote. Say, we won't go again though. We will do well. So I come in that year many for Anamaga. The president, I'm so today, I've given notice to people who are saying enough is enough of me. No, I've not started. I will start January, and then I will talk to Nigerians in the language Nigerians will understand. When people talk to people will understand. Many statistics. What's in your base? What's in your base? What's up in your cabin? Almost laba, Bogam Gogo, almost laba, they shall do to me. Far. Wearing the responsibility, the duty to tell Nigerians the truth and nothing but the truth.